Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. Today we are starting Masterclass Series on FastAPI. FastAPI is Python's modern API framework. FastAPI is built for creating high-performance REST APIs using standard Python type hints, making backend development clean, structured, and future-ready. If you work with Python and planning to build REST APIs, you have to use FastAPI. Before I start coding, if you find value in my tutorials, please smash that like button for me. If you have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe. If you want one-on-one training, email me. Let's start coding. This is my empty PyCharm project folder. There is nothing absolutely in it. Let's start from fresh. Again, like I said, you will use FastAPI to build extremely fast performance-based applications. It's built on Starlet and Pydantic. And it delivers speed which is close to Node.js and Go, making it absolutely useful for real-world examples. That being said, let's start coding. I'll create my first file here in this, and I'm going to call it main.py. So first, let's install the FastAPI. One of the common mistakes that people do is not install any AGI server or AGI modules which basically run the code. So you are going to use Uvicorn. All right. So the command is pip install FastAPI and Uvicorn. All right. So let's install that. The best part about FastAPI is that it has an inbuilt support for async operations, which means you can have thousands and thousands of users at the same time. It will support it. That's the best part. All right, let's go ahead and create our first application. So what we'll do, we'll keep it simple since you're just starting out. So first let's import FastAPI, import FastAPI from. Once you have done it, you will initialize and create an app. Remember the name, we are using app equal to FastAPI. Now let's go ahead and define our first route. @ is the decorator which tells this is the app, this is the path that it has to execute. Once you have this, the next thing we'll do is define a simple function to handle that route operation. So let's call it route, and now let's just return a hello world as part of this. So whenever now user goes to the landing page or the index or the starting point of this particular endpoint, they'll see this message. Now, how do you run it? You run it using Uvicorn that we just installed. We will write Uvicorn followed by the name of the file, which is main, followed by the name of the app which we have given, which is app. So you're going to write :app, and we are going to say -- reload. Enter. So now the server is started. You can see the message is hello world. Congratulations, you just built your first API on using FastAPI. This is Python based API that we just built, and it's absolutely stunning that in no short time you have built your first API. I hope this is clear because we are going to go and do lot of API work as part of this. Remember again the format, the way you run this application is you will write Uvicorn followed by module name followed by the name of the app. That's the correct approach that you should follow. All right, and I hope this is clear. A lot of people will make mistake here. That's why I'm calling it again and again. All right, beautiful so far. I think this is what I wanted to cover in today's episode. I hope it's clear because bang on, we'll be going deep diving into FastAPI, into most advanced use cases. It's an absolute must library to learn if you want to learn and grow in Python and agentic AI. Join me in the next episode. We'll deep dive. Thank you.